Common mistakes that you can avoid while renovating your next legal suite. Here we are in our next renovation project for our investor clients, and we are giving you walkthrough of it. Light is the most important factor in a basement suite. Always have big windows so that when the people are renting, they feel like they are on the upper floor and they pay more rent. Storage. Yes, storage plays a crucial factor in a bedroom or in a basement suite. It gives a extra storage space. Here we are doing a walk-in closet and a big window to this primary bedroom. Washroom. It's always good to have 1.5 or 2 washroom in a basement suite. So here we are doing 2 washrooms. Spacious kitchen, because you know kitchen is the heart of a home or heart of a basement suite. So we already have the plumbings done and the sinks will be here. We have a fridge and countertop coming over here. Next, we have living, or you call it a family space. It provides extra value to your basement suite. Separate laundry for the basement suite. I hope you enjoyed our today's tour of legal basement suite. Thanks for watching, and do follow our journey when we come up with finished product.